About that ruling. Thank you for joining us. I'm Scott Schneider.
I'm Dawn Hasbrook. The partial ruling means the National Guard cannot be deployed in Chicago or Illinois. The judge will release her written ruling tomorrow. She says the defense did not prove the conditions on the ground rise to the level of needing to deploy the military. She claims it violated the 10th and 14th Amendment. The Attorney General, Kwame Raoul, is praising the ruling, saying it's all about the evidence.
This is about credibility. You heard about the attempt, some of the declarations of acts, alleged acts against ICE officers where they sought out a grand jury indictment that was denied. There's an old saying about indicting a ham sandwich. The defendants in this case couldn't put together a ham sandwich.
The governor of Illinois posting to social media about the ruling, saying in part today, the court confirmed what we all know. There is no credible evidence of a rebellion in the state of Illinois and no place for the National Guard in the streets of American cities like Chicago.
Chicago's mayor also commenting on the ruling, claiming victory. He says in part, the judge established that the Trump administration is unreliable. They lie, misrepresent, and put people in danger. We will continue to use all of the tools at our disposal to end the Trump administration's war on Chicago.
Cook County Board President Tony Preckwinkle also saying on the ruling, in part, these rulings affirm what we've said all along. Real public safety comes from opportunity, stability, and dignity. We need investments in jobs, housing, education, and health care, not federal forces patrolling our streets.
Democratic Senator Dick Durbin speaking about the military deployment in Illinois and the Chicago area. He says the president is not listening to the message from our local communities.
That message was clear for the business leaders in my state, but President Donald Trump didn't care what they had to say. He wanted to deploy our nation's military to Illinois to spread fear and sow chaos. And in both those efforts, sad to say, he's succeeding.
Durbin also reiterating there is no need for the National Guard in Illinois.
Many people are wondering about the impact of the National Guard and ICE agents roaming around in our community. At a meeting today, local activists say while the community is on edge, it's also showing its strength.
Literally killing our people physically, mentally, but we cannot allow their hate, their racism to overcome what we know we have, which is love for our community, strength for our community, and unity.
They also urge people to not stay silent and to protest peacefully.